Hey everyone, Festo is here once again. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for checking on. Every whenever you see a video, I feel happy. So today, let's see how to fix driver issues in case some of the hardware components are mishandling themselves. They are not working very well. So in order to fix the hardware problem, you need to update your drivers to the latest drivers available for your system. So updating drivers is so simple. You open the settings app. So this is my setting. So as you see at the this side, I have a Windows updates in progress. So you need to check your update and security. So let's go to update and security and see. Then you tap Windows update. As you see, I have Windows updates are available. So I'm using a metered connection. So you need to be updating all of your hardware components each and every day so that they don't malfunction. That is the best way to download hardware drivers. Thank you for tuning in. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe and share this video to a friend so that we can get all the skills needed to survive in this tech world. Thank you for tuning in. Stay home, stay safe. First, as always, thank you. Bye.